Fire Blyth Station, please respond 40605 Walton Road at Millstone Crop Services for a North Seed Warehouse smoke detector and alarm activation. Keyholder pending, no answer on site. 40605 Walton Road, time first pages 12:16:52. Attention North Huron Fire Blyth Station, please respond 40605 Walton Road at Millstone Crop Services, North Seed Warehouse smoke detector and alarm activation. Keyholder, it will be attending. That's 40605 Walton Road, front alarm. 10-second pages 12:18:22. Blyth Station, please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 4.
Go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for the Blyth Station for smoke alarm activation at Millstone. Blyth Station responding shortly.
Roger, page acknowledged. 12:18:54.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Go ahead.
You can show engine 6 responding, echo +4.
That's Roger, engine 6 responding, echo +4, 12:22:03.
Fire dispatch, car 1 responding.
Roger, car 1 responding, 12:22.
Dispatch, you can show tank 9 responding, Foxtrot +1 belted.
Roger, tank 9 responding, Foxtrot +1 belted, 12:23:33.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 arriving scene, nothing showing at this time. Echo will be command and mobile.
Roger, that's 6 on scene, nothing showing, echo in command. It is 12:24:57.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 responding, Hotel Golf belted.
Roger, 8 responding, Hotel Golf belted, it's 12:25.
Dispatch, you can show tank 9 arriving on scene.
Roger, I copy tank 9 arriving on scene, 12:26.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 arriving scene.
That's Roger, tank 8 on scene, 12:28.
Fire dispatch, Blyth command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show we have a faulty detector at this location. We've done a sweep of the building and nothing found.
Roger, you have a faulty detector, CPO of the building, nothing found, 12:30:04.
Fire dispatch, you can mark car 1 standing down.
That's Roger, car 1 standing down, 12:31.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 release from scene returning to Blyth Station.
Roger, 8 release from scene, returning to station, 12:32:53.
Fire dispatch, Blyth command.
Go ahead, command.
The alarm company has silenced this alarm. The command is terminated. Scene's left with the owner and engine. All units are returned to Blyth Station.
Roger, alarm company has silenced the alarm, command terminated, scene left with the owner. All units returning to station, 12:33:43.
Fire dispatch, Blyth Station.
Go ahead.
You can show all trucks back in the hall, back in service. Can you download that call for me, please?
Roger that, back in all, back in service, 12:49:26.